away the honor to the Australian Open. Nino has put the Philippines on the global tennis map after winning the Australian Open Junior Doubles Tennis Competition in 2009 together with the Taiwanese tennis squad. The Australian Open is one of the 4 major tennis events each year, along with the French Open, Wimbledon, and the US Open. 18-year-old Nino is the first Filipino to win a major international tennis event title in the Philippines sports history. Another achievement worthy of being called a Jollibee ambassador is social entrepreneur Paolo Benito Mac and Aquino. An advocate of entrepreneurship, he believes that Pinoys can find happiness and self-fulfillment in putting up their own businesses, big or small. Today, aside from being an active in different volunteer organizations, he is the president of Micro Ventures Inc., a group which assists in empowering micro entrepreneurs. Before venturing into entrepreneurship, Mao was also a youth leader involved in various organizations. There you have it. Congratulations, Mao. Up next, a passionate writer who wants to change the world through writing is 3-time Malacca awardee, 17-year-old Nino Pupili. Our Jollibee ambassador won the first Carlos Malacca Memorial Award for Literature at the age of 50 back in 2008. This year, she once again bagged the first prize in the prestigious Malacca Award in the